Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do a soft reset for the Logitech G29. First, make sure your PC or console is turned off. This helps prevent any errors during the reset. Now unplug everything from the wheel. Disconnect the power adapter from the wall and from the wheelbase. Unplug the USB cable from your PC or console. Also disconnect the pedals and the shifter from the wheelbase. At this point, nothing should be connected to the G29. Next, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. This short pause allows the wheel to fully power down and clear temporary memory. Do not rush this step. After waiting, start reconnecting everything. First, plug the pedals back into the wheel base. Then connect the shifter if you use one. After that, connect the power cable to the wheel base and then into the wall outlet. Finally, plug the USB cable directly into your PC or console. Make sure you do not use a USB hub, as this can cause detection issues. Now turn on your PC or console. The wheel should begin its automatic calibration. If you are using a Windows PC, you can also reset the calibration in Windows. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run window. Type joy.cpl and press Enter. This opens the game controller settings. Select the Logitech G29 and click Properties. Go to the Settings tab. Click Reset to Default, then click Calibrate. Follow the on-screen steps to complete calibration. Thanks for watching.